Last week, the government imposed 20% export duties on various grades of rice like non-basmati, unmilled, semi-milled or totally milled and husked brown. A blanket ban on broken rice too was imposed as domestic supplies dwindled after below-average monsoon season. However, parboiled and basmati rice were exempted from export duties. With this, India, which accounts for 40% of the global rice trade, stands to lose its world's market share to rice-producing global peers like Thailand, Vietnam, Pakistan and Myanmar. India exports rice to at least 164 countries. Iran was the biggest overall importer of Indian rice in FY22, accounting for $855.7 million. China was the biggest recipient of broken rice in FY22, which accounted for $480.3 million. Therefore, analysts expect rice exporting companies to face the heat in the near term.
Earlier wheat also there was banned. Now there is some amount of, protectionism kind of steps being taken. These are all momentary. I don't think these are long-lasting ones. So if you are invested in some good, strong, sound, fundamental companies, then I think it makes all the more sense if you are a long-term investor to stay invested instead of, trying to react on every news flow that comes in from the government side.
From an investment viewpoint, analysts suggest investors to avoid rice mill stocks for another quarter.
Now things are getting depleted, so rice stock, I will wait for 1 quarter of correction, then I will buy. And there are many things which are doing good. Why to put money in this rice stock or commodity stock? Mainly connected with agriculture, because till the Russia-Ukraine war goes, we will have lot of problem and companies are not going to make good profit.
On the bourses, shares of LT Foods, Kohinoor Foods, Chaman Lal Sethia Exports have declined in the range of 1% to 10%. In comparison, frontline indices Nifty 50 and the S&P BSE Sensex have gained nearly 1% each during the same period. As regards today, India's inflation numbers and macro data will guide markets today. Globally, US inflation numbers, UK unemployment report and OPEC's monthly report will also be tracked. Rupee movement, FII flows and crude oil prices will continue to steer investor sentiments on Tuesday.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.